Your miracle that you're going to encounter is going to provoke a shocking sensation, both to you and to those around you. They're going to hear the sound of abundance. People in your village will hear the sound of your next breakthrough. Somebody say they will hear. Your enemies will hear the sound of how God has shown mercy to you. The heights heaven is taking you is the height from earth to heaven, because it's a month when God is going to empower you so mercilessly that even the devil will begin to fear you. Lift your hand and shout for those who want to scatter me. Hear ye the word of the Lord. It is my turn, because I am him whom the Lord will overturn and will overturn until it is my turn to take it. You won't just take it quietly, you're going to take it by force. Hallelujah.